Look, even the plants are on fire again. You can see the black smoke behind the flames. That means it's like the last time that Baytown was on fire, the plants. So from there to there. We're without lights. The plants are on fire again. Look at that way. There's no lights in Baytown, so only in certain places. And plants are on fire again. So this place is. Look that way. Look that way. That way. That way. There's a crisis going on us. Wow. Look at that. Certain areas have light, but like places like my house, we only have space heaters over there, and it's all electric. So my car is measuring in this area 21. Where is this place? Did I pass? Did I pass?
No.
Yes, I did.
How would you pass?
Yes, I passed.
There's only one area.
No, I passed, Jay.
This is it.
No. This is the other side of the place.
Oh.
Okay. This is Luis Martinez from Baytown, Texas. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Leave a comment.